we got some new kittens in. They're pretty stinky. So we're gonna do some kitten bathing. I've got the room really warmed up. They just came from being stray kitties and picked up this morning from Eastern Oregon all the way to Portland. And I just got them. This looks like a little boy. We don't want to cook him too much. There we go. I got some shampoo. That was quite a bit, but they're very stinky. And they pooped in their kennel on their way here. So we gotta get all the icky off. Get some more suds. Get everything off of this little nuggie. Nice and cleaned up. They're very skinny. You are a skinny little nugget. Got a little kitty that's going to be very clean and fat and happy soon. Okay, switch them out for the next poopy kitty. This one has got quite the sick little eyes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like another little boy. Get this one all cleaned up. There we go. That's a little cold. I know, it's okay. We'll get all that poopies off of you, get your face cleaned up, help you out, I promise. We just definitely don't want them to get a chill, but it's very important that they're clean. A clean kitten is a healthy kitten. This one has a lot of gunk on its front legs, probably means that it has had a upper respiratory infection. Got a little scrunchy there. Don't blame it. It's lived its life outside so far. Doesn't feel good, so. Get some sudsies going on it. It's just a gentle shampoo. Has some anti-itch stuff in it. It's whatever we honestly got donated. But it's good for general bathing. This one's a little more Riley. Try and avoid getting anything in the face or the eyes. good baby though. You're gonna be just fine. Yeah. We're gonna help you get very healthy. Help you get healthy and all back to what you should be. Oh, picky on that foot. That was cookies. Yeah. Last thing I do is try and get some of the icky off of their head and clean up around their face, just gently. Came to the right place. We're at eye infection central here. Yeah. We'll help you out. Okay. Good baby. Aww. See, it's going to be all nice and healthy again. Look at her poor little face. Oh. There you go. Let's get you all dried up. There we go. You guys, look at this sad little face. Can you see? Aww. I just have my phone on a stand, so if you're commenting or anything, I can't see it, but you have sad eyes too. We'll get you started on treatment, just like Echo. And some oral antibiotics too. I know you don't feel good. Are you a sweet little baby? Yeah, we have one more bath and then we'll go back through and we'll dry everyone again. Okay, little nugget. This one looks like it's the healthiest of the bunch. This one's clearly been stealing everyone else's food. Yeah. Oh. A little feisty. Yeah. You ready for your bath? Okay. That's a good chunky nugget little boy. So it looks like we got all boys in this little transport. This one's cute. Yeah, are you a good nugget? Is that a good bath? Yeah. Look how tiny and cute you are. You clearly were stealing all the food at that house. You're chunky. The goal with feeding is to get it done as fast as you can without making the kitten get cold. But get all the icky off. These guys had a diarrhea explosion on their car ride over. So, and make them not stinky. And then after they're all dry, we'll start treatment with the eye infections on the other ones. This one seems to have a little bit of a droopy eye, so we'll do that as well. But this one is, look how chunky this one is compared to the others. I know, a little sad now. There you go. Let's dry you off. Yep. You gotta let me wrap you up correctly. There you go. Yeah, you're a sweet baby. Say hello, Devil. He says, I want food now. Okay, we're going to turn it around. You guys can say hi to the other kitties. Because we got Echo up there with some friends. And I brought little dude up here because little dude decided to have a little bit of an upper respiratory infection as well, so yeah. And then the other two little newcomers. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, nope. Look at you all dried up. There we go. That's a nice blankie. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Let's go. Hi. Let me help you out. This one's pretty cold. Fine. There's some eye drops. Yep. I know. Okay. How about we just warm you guys all up in the nice little thing right here? Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Boing. Baby Echo. Echo. I'll warm you guys all up in the incubator. There you go. Oops, stay right there. Okay. Look at Echo. He's just looking at you guys. He says hi. And just so you know, I put the other babies in the nice incubator over there. So that way they can get nice and warm, set at 80 degrees. Echo! Echo! Say hi! Hello, Echo! Echo! Meow meow! Say hello! You guys, he kind of has an eyeball there. I think it's awesome. We're going to put some more eye ointment in, which is not his favorite thing in the world. But let's go ahead. And then, how about a little bit of food? He still refuses to eat on his own. So we can squirt some in your mouth. You hungry? No, not so much right now? No? Yeah? Here you go. Hi. You guys don't like this one. We'll get rid of it. But there's little Echo. There's a little Pip. Pip decided to have an eye infection like Echo. Yep. And then, if you guys remember Little Dude's the one that decided to take a dive and have brain trauma when he was tiny. But he's totally fine now. But they all kind of have the sniffles and everything, so figured they should all just hang out with little Sicky here. And I think you guys need to see how chunky this little belly is. He's doing so much better. And we had a jumper. Yeah, Kat, that was a terrible night when he fell. I was pretty much devastated, and I thought that I killed my kitten. But he's doing great. Everyone's doing great. Well, the intake is over. I don't know if you guys want to just watch Echo, you can. How many kittens do I have now? Oh, his pink blanket's over there. I had to wash it. Because we got cat food all over it. Well, I have the 4 in there. I have the newbie upstairs right there. She's in quarantine until I can prove she's healthy. And then I just have these 3, so that's 8. And then, if you want to see something really cute, a little Fauna. Fauna! Fauna! She refuses to look up, but she's in a tiny basket, or tiny box. And then I have 5, 6, 7, 8 downstairs. So that would be 16. Right? If we did the math right. Luckily, I have a lot of space, so we're good. Hi, Echo. Gesundheit, Fauna. Fauna's doing really good. She just hit 1.9 pounds, so she'll probably be getting spayed soon and then adopted. Yeah, 16. I can't say no. Tigger is doing really good. Tigger is ruling the house, running around. He's actually sleeping on the couch right now. He's very happy. This isn't my home. Yeah, my name is Jessica. And that's Echo, and behind him is Pip, I believe. Pip is being quite vocal. But yes, I have a kennel set up that I can do either as 6 kennels, because you can see Echo walk through that hole right there. And so if I leave the hole open, then that's 3 kennels. If I have the hole closed, then there's 6 kennels. And then I have a dedicated kitten room. This is in my laundry room. Sarah's doing really good. She's still a little bit snotty, but I think part of that is due to her being a breed of cat that is more likely to be snotty like that, like a Persian, kind of smushy face. I don't remember how old everyone is. I think Echo's about 8 weeks. Fauna is almost like 4 months old. The kitty upstairs, who doesn't have a name yet, is probably like 6 months old. But and the ones that I just got are pretty young too. So well, I gotta go, so glad people joined me. So have a good afternoon. I'm gonna go take care of more kitties. You can always look into my pet cube to see the kitten room downstairs, and you can even talk to them. I believe it's live right now. So yeah, have a good day. Bye.